Hey everyone, I haven't done a DIY video in a long time, so I'm going to quickly show you how to make toilet fizz bombs. So little cleaning pods that you can pop in your toilet to keep those toilets clean in between bigger cleans, I guess. So it's fairly simple. We're using a half a cup of just your regular baking soda. We are using a quarter cup of citric acid and a quarter cup of cornstarch. Mix those dry ingredients together, just whisk it together in a bowl. You're gonna then add your essential oils. Love using Thieves, our powerhouse cleaner here in the house. That's great. And then also citrus fresh. You could put in lemon, you could do lime, you could do grapefruit. You could just leave it with Thieves. So 10 drops of each of those essential oils. Mix it together, get it combined. Um, Add in a teaspoon of half of an oil, a carrier oil. I've just used avocado this time around. Um, and then you're going to combine it after each time you add in a new ingredient. And then you're going to add in a couple squirts of your Thieves household cleaner just to moisten the mixture. You want to keep stirring until you get the consistency of damp sand. Um, Once you reach that consistency, pop it into an ice cube tray, store it overnight for 24 hours, and then you can take them all out, stir them in a glass jar, and they're good to go, and then use as needed to keep those toilets sparkling clean. I hope you like that. I'll pop the recipe in the comments for you guys to check it out. We'll talk to you later. Bye.